Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about how to attach the video and screenshot in Allure report. This is part 2 video. So just open VS Code project. So already what we have to created Playwright sample Allure report. So this project already we have done basic Allure report setup in Playwright. That part already have to cover in part 1 video. So before jumping into part 2 video, please go through the part 1 video, okay, because this part 2 continuation of this part 1. This part 1 will guide you the basic setup of Allure report. This part 2 video, now I will tell you how we can attach the videos and screenshot in Allure report. Open playwright.config.ts. Here you can see this 26 line number 26 to 42, this code. What code we have seen inside playwright.config.ts with the selected one, the same line of code you can find inside part 1 video, okay, because this line of code we have created and updated generating the basic Allure report, okay. So here what are the changes are required for attaching videos and screenshot in Allure report? So that line of code I will tell you now. Go back to the slide. So that's what I have to highlighted in this screenshot, okay. So here you just first understand what is the purpose of the trace on first retry. When you have to create a Playwright project, that time defaultly you can find under use you can find trace on first retry. So here this is nothing but it is recorded of the timeline of what happened during the test. It is used for debugging failures. You can see inside the code just we can find trace on first retry. That's it. We didn't define any retry count, either 1 or 2 or more than 2. The Playwright has defaultly has generated trace. Now you understand what is the purpose of trace on first retry. Next, we moving to what are the changes required for seeing the videos and screenshot in Allure report. Go back to VS Code. Here you can find number 26 to 42. So the same line of code you have seen part 1 video. Here we have to do some changes inside use part. No need to touch anything inside reporter part because the reporter part only talking about what is the name you have to given the Allure results, what is the results directory. That's it. Under results directory I have given Allure result. This is the name you can find inside project root directory Allure result. If you want to change any name, that time you can change it, otherwise nothing to do anything. So next, inside use part we are going to add some changes. Go back to the screenshot of the slide. Here you can see what are the changes you have seen inside use. I have mentioned screenshot and video and trace. So you know very well trace already there. So I just leave it as it is. I have to add the 2 lines of code which is screenshot and video. So here you can make it one clear only on failure and retain on failure. So this part you have to understand first. Do the changes of here. Okay. Press enter. Screenshot colon single quote, so only on failure. So when you are typing the command, automatically the Playwright will give you the suggestion only on failure. So I want to capture the screenshot if in case the test case going to fail. So next video. So here retain on failure. So this also the video only capture for failed test case. So now I have attached only on failure for the screenshot. For the video retain on failure. That's it. So now what I will do, I just run the test cases. npx playwright test. Inside example.spec.ts you can see 2 test cases. I'm going to be execute in the 3 browser, total 6 tests. So all passed. Now I am going to be open Allure report. So Allure space Allure -results. Here you can see all cases pass. So here no cases is not failed. In that case I do not find any screenshot and videos. You can remember one thing I mentioned only for the failure. If all case pass, no need to attach any screenshot, any video. So here I have to make it some failure one case, that time you can able to find. So here I have to do some changes for it fail this second test cases. Here I'm going to be click on get started. In that case I just give test. In this case, the second test should be fail. That time we will see how the video and screenshot for this second test cases if it is fail. So here Control C, wait, or else you can close. I have to reopen again. I have to rerun once again. Thus Playwright all the test. Now you can see 3 passed because there are 2 test cases. One case is pass in all browser, another one case fail in all 3 browser. So now I have to see the report. So now the second case is failed all 3 browser. Let's open Chromium. Open the get started link. Here you can find video and screenshot. Fine. So the screenshot, the static form, we cannot able to play. We have seen only the picture of that, the failed screen. The video we can able to play. Here you can see video, here the play button, full screen of this video. So here the Playwright finding test button, not able to find. This is the video. So this is the way we have to attach video and screenshot in Allure report. For retry function and for the pass case, how we can do that. So what are the command we have to use? You have to understand that one. Okay, I will explain now. Move to next slide. So what are the video options available in the Playwright? The first one I have to tell you, video off. Defaultly the video is off. So you can remember manually we added this command. Otherwise the Playwright video option is off. So here no video recording at all, and for the fast local runs unit style on non-UA heavy test. So in that case the syntax is video off. If you want to define manually off, if you are not define this line, the Playwright consider as video is off mode. Next, video is on mode. If you define this line of code which is video on inside use, in that case the video has recorded for every test either pass or fail. It will be maximum visibility. It will be take huge storage usage. So in that case this option we can leave it. Come to this one. This is very important, which is retain on failure. It is the most commonly we are using. So here the video has recorded for the every test but only failed for the test videos. Okay, again you can remember these 2 points. The video keeps only for the failed test and it will be useful for the CA pipelines. If you are integrated with Jenkins or Cloudbees, that time it is easy to see why it does failure happen. We can able to track. So this is the line of code we have to update inside use video : retain on failure. Next you can see first retry. So this is also useful for the flaky test. If you want to see sometime inconsistent failure, sometime it will be pass, sometime it will be fail, but when I try to run in the second attempt it going to be pass. In that case we have to try with define with retry. So here it will be capture the flaky behavior. We can able to track why it is the failure it's happened. The second time it will be pass or fail. We can able to find number of retry attempts. So here we can find first retry, but mainly the first retry only it will be check the first attempt, but we can able to give retry more than number of time. I will tell you how the retry will works. So the retry will start from 0, 0, 1, 2. If you give the retry 2, that time it will be take from the 0, 1, 2. So until it will be reached the second retry. If it is fail, that time the video is going to be recorded. So now I will give you one example how retry will works. So here you can see the video option we defined as retain on failure, but I have to add the retries. So before what we did without retry, I just simply mentioned retain on failure. If any test case failed, you just record video for that. That's it. I didn't define any retry. Okay, but you can scroll up. Here you can find the retries. This command only retry on CA only. So here if you want to see inside Allure report, that is the different one. Let's move back to slide. So here, now I have to given retry 2. So you have to understand these things. It is very important interview questions, and you have to understand the basic things how retry will work in the Playwright. We have seen the Allure report. So here, if I give the count 2, already I told you the retry will start from 0. Then total attempts 3. 0, 1, 2. So the final attempt only, the video going to be decide. Final attempt will decide whether it will be record the video or not. If it is pass, no video. If it is fail, there is video. So the first run. So when we are executed the first run, it will be pass, there is no video. The second run will pass, there is no video. If the second run will fail, that time the video decision still not at final yet, because the count is total 2, which is 3 attempt. Fine, you can remember this number. Don't get confused. Second run. The second run means this is the first run. This is the 0th run. This is the first run. The third is considered as a second run. So come to the third run, it will be passed. There is no video saved. If it's third run fail, the all retries has exhausted. In that case, the final status fail. If the final status fail, in that case, the video is going to be recorded and it's saved. If it is passed, there is no video. Clear? This is example you can remember. So now, we retry to attempt 0, 1, 2. So attempt 2 only the final attempt. There only it will be decided either the video going to store or not. If it is fail, the video saved. If it is passed, there is no video. Fine? Got it? If it is passed, the deleted video. So this is the example of the retain on failure with the retries. If you give any video option, which is below mentioned this video option, if you give the retry count, based on the retry count, the video will going to be work. So now go back to the VS Code, command this line. Here before use, have to give retries 2. So now the video retained on failure consider with retries 2. Rather than once fail, it is not recording video. It will be considered as the retry count. I'm going to be execute again. Have to close it. Have to reopen. New terminal. So I'm going to be execute. So here you can find the retry count also 1, 2. So here you can see attachment to video. Let's see the report. That time you will get understand clearly. Again come to the Chromium browser. You have seen the retry 2. So like the retry count will take for all the browsers. So for the failed test case, the second test case will go to fail. So based on that, it will be try with the 2 attempts in all the browser. In that case, it will be take time or complete all those browser execution. So now 3 passed. So again 3 will get fail in all this 3 browser. Let's open the report. So here there are product defects, the count is 2, the test defect 1. Open Chromium or Firefox, whatever it is. Get started. Here you can see the video. Here we are having trouble finding that state. And you can open the Chromium. The same what we have seen before. WebKit. Waiting until load. So the main thing what I have to cover here. So while execution of this all the test case, you can able to find retry count 1, 2. Like the failed test case going to be execute 2 times till it is failed. The video going to be saved inside Allure report. So this is part I have to cover in this video. So I hope you will get understand how we can attach the video and screenshot in Allure report, and also you understand about the video option. What are the video options available in the Playwright? You can try with this different option, and also you can try with the retry count. You can see that video in the failed test case. I hope this video will help you. The part 1 and part 2, the complete setup of the Allure report, both videos and screenshot. Thank you guys.